Hi friends, this is the Flipkart SmartBuy Alpine Tower air cooler, which I bought from Flipkart recently. This video I clicked when I had already used this air cooler for a day or two, and I wanted to do a review to give my opinion on how this air cooler is. So as you can see on the top, you have buttons to control the airspeed. You can set it to low, medium, high, and also to control the swing or just cool mode. In the front of the cooler you have this flaps which you can open and close, and inside is the swinging wings to control the airflow from side to side movement. And at the bottom you have the water indicator. This is a 30-liter air cooler. The indicator just shows up to the half mark, but the water container is much bigger inside. On the back side you have on the side you have the opening to pour in the water. It's a push in and push out door opener, and on the back you have the mesh, honeycomb mesh, and the mesh covering the honeycomb. uh, and at the bottom you have the water outlet or the water drainer, and little on the top left you have the water overflow. And this is the cover which you can remove by pulling it up, and inside you can find the honeycomb mesh. The close, you can just slide it inside, push it all the way down, and it sets in place. And as I was saying, this is the ice cube container. This is also the place where the water will flow. This is the instruction manual. I suggest you go through the instruction manual as it gives you do's and don'ts and the specifications of the air cooler. Just ignore the spelling mistakes, but you should be able to understand the instructions. And this is to show a comparison between the Symphony 12T air cooler which I had bought last year. In terms of height, obviously the Flipkart SmartBuy air cooler is much taller because it has a bigger water capacity. The Symphony air cooler is 12 liter and the Flipkart SmartBuy is 30 liters. Now I'm going to show you the airflow. I have just pasted some tissue papers in front of the vents just to show you whether the airflow comes out from all the openings. So let's put on the cooler. I'm putting this right now at the medium speed. So as you can see, the airflow is only from the top half portion of the opening, whereas the bottom half it doesn't have any airflow. So I'm not sure why that is. I don't know if this is a defect, but still the airflow is very strong. And even if the airflow is coming out from the top half, it is pretty sufficient and is able to cool the room. Let me put it into high speed. But even with this airflow coming from only the half of the portion of the event, I was still able to experience a good cooling effect. And if you turn on the back side, and I'll show you by opening the honeycomb mesh, where the water currently is now flowing from the top. So overall, I have been using this for the past 2 months now, a little less than 2 months, and I would say it's a very nice, good air cooler. I purchased it for 5,299 from Flipkart, and considering the cost, I would say it's a good deal. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. I will see you in my next video.